Cigarette litter is an important environmental issue that I want to take an opportunity to highlight, but it also transcends various environmental sectors. So the first is that cigarette butt litter is formally considered litter by the Washington State Legislature, and it is enforceable. Second, cigarette butt litter is a soil and water pollutant. Cigarette butts do contain harmful chemicals and heavy metals that can contaminate the soil and travel downward into the aquifer and decrease the water quality of our sole source aquifer that our entire community relies on. Also, cigarette butts can travel through and clog storm drains and create a lot of added stress at our wastewater treatment plants to address and remediate this additional contamination. Third, cigarette butts affect wildlife. Oftentimes you can see birds and waterfowl trying to eat cigarette butts because they mistake them as food, and this can be potentially harmful or even fatal to these animals. The fourth consideration I want to just highlight because it is about this time of year. Cigarette butts are a fire hazard and have been known to create roadside brush fires as well as ignite other more serious fires. So that is something that is especially important throughout the summer season. Going into a little bit of more detail about this grant, we were awarded $5,000 by Keep America Beautiful, which is a nonprofit foundation that funds the cigarette litter prevention program. It is a community outreach program that focuses on communities that want to implement these types of programs to address cigarette butt litter. Spokane County was one of only 42 communities in the US this year to be awarded this grant. When we were deciding on a location to implement this program, we focused on the county campus because we are one of Spokane County's largest employers, as well as we have a lot of pedestrian activity due to the services that we provide on our campus. The grant required a baseline cigarette butt count. The Spokane County Eco Team, which is comprised of employees of various departments as well as some city departments as well. We went around in teams of 2 and counted cigarette butts for 1 hour. In that hour, we collected over 2,500 cigarette butts, which these are them. Yes, we did wear gloves, but yes, it was still terribly gross. We then assessed the effectiveness of our current ash receptacles on the county campus, and we realized that they're not very effective. Current ash receptacles are attached to the trash receptacle, and the design is such that exposure to the elements and human interference can cause serious issues about effective cigarette butt litter collection. And we wanted to keep this in mind moving forward to choose a more effective cigarette ash canister. And so we, with our grant money, purchased 24 of these pole-mounted ash canisters. They are weatherproof and tamper-proof. We are installing the majority of them around the county campus with the option to expand the area into select portions of downtown, specifically around the outside of city-owned buildings. We are also, with this grant, conducting public outreach at community events throughout the year. And with this grant, we were provided 600 car ashtrays for distribution to adult smokers. So the next steps are a post-installation scan. After these are installed, we'll wait 3 months and we'll do another cigarette butt count. Keep America Beautiful estimates that where these programs are implemented, they see about a 50% reduction on average in cigarette butt litter. So that's a goal that we're really striving to achieve with our program. The final results of this pilot project will be available in May 2019. And we'll also have the option to reapply for additional funding to expand on our pilot program or adjust our program depending on its success. I wanted to give a big thank you to various county and city departments that have really helped this program get off the ground. Our hope is that this program will benefit a wide scope of local government as well as citizens of Spokane County.